Hello, all my family and friends. Welcome to another episode. Today, it's like I said, it's beginning to get fall. So today we're going to do a Snicker salad. It's not actually a salad. It has apples in it, which makes it healthy, but it has Snicker candy bar, so it's good. Anyway, we're going to start off with a 3.4 ounce of vanilla instant pudding. Let's start off with that. Oops. And we're going to add 3/4 cups of milk. Just going to mix it together until it's kind of creamy.
Yeah, this is a good salad right here.
Oh, it's a good dessert.
Oh yeah, it's a good dessert.
Salad, so like I said, it's a healthy salad. It has apples in it. Okay, to this vanilla pudding, I'm going to add. Now you can do your whipped topping if you want to yourself. You can whip it yourself. But like I told you before, I like the taste of Cool Whip, so I'm going to put about 8 ounces of Cool Whip I'm going to fold into this. I'm just going to fold the Cool Whip in. I like it just like this. Okay, for this recipe, it calls for 6 Granny Smith apples. I'm going to go ahead and add 5 of the apples into the salad, into the mixture, and reserve 1 apple to garnish on top. So we're going to go ahead and put the apples in. Like I said, there's 5 Granny Smith apples. It's all chopped up pretty finely. Pretty fine, rather.
This is where the salad element comes into play.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and also it calls for 6 regular sized Snickers candy bars. There again, I cut up or chopped up 5 to put into the salad, reserving one bar to go on garnish with. So here is 5 Snickers regular size candy bars that's been chopped.
Yeah, it wouldn't be Snickers salad without Snickers.
Nope. And you don't have to wait on this. You can eat it right when it's done. That's another good thing about this salad is it's ready. Okay, that is our ingredients. So we're going to now I'm going to take some apples, that 1 apple, and just kind of sprinkle it on top. And I've got, like I said, 1 Snickers candy bar I'm going to put on top. And then this is optional, but I'm going to drizzle some caramel sauce on top of it. It's calls for like maybe 1/4 of a cup, but hey, I'm just going to drizzle it. All right, folks, there's our Snickers salad. I hope you'll try it and like it, because it is a tasty salad. Okay?
Yeah, but it is a tasty salad.
It is a tasty salad. Okay, we'll see you all next week. I want to say, remember, God is good all the time.
All the time, God is good.
Thank you for watching.